Hola, Pedro. Buenos días. And who's this? Who is this behind my back? You guys. Oh, you guys are so silly. Alright, we met some friends. And we're gonna go explore some beaches today. Here in Bahia de Los Angeles. Woo! Sorry, I had to stop twice. Pretty insane. Look at this. Look at this sand track. Good luck. This is like four-wheeler. Is this not the most beautiful thing ever? Huh? Yeah, I'm so glad we're staying here for a day. It's ended up being so clear. Yeah. It was so like hazy this morning. They're like high def. Look at this. Never seen so many in my life other than yesterday. My favorite thing ever is the vultures. All right, sand's already taken me out once today. See how this goes. All right, we're almost to this beach. All right, using a whalebone to keep my bike from falling over. Actually not that it's not that cold. It's pretty nice. There's fish jumping. Yeah, look at the blue water. Alright, we're gonna go. Hey guys, sorry to jump forward in time really quick, but I have to say something really quick. First of all, thanks for watching. Second of all, I'm having such a blast here. But I wanted to quickly explain who Michael is. Michael is a guy I met in Ensenada, and he was like one of the first people I met when I got to Mexico. And it turned out that 4 years ago, he rode from Maine to Argentina on a DR650. On a DR650 the same year, an 07 DR650. So that was just a crazy coincidence, and we ended up becoming really good friends. We rode together for like 8 days. So you'll see him in a bunch of the videos, and I just wanted to quickly explain who he was so that you're not like totally lost as to what's going on. Anyway, back to editing. Thank you for watching.
You can leave your stuff like that? Yeah.
Yeah, that works right there. We can see it. Bahia de Los Angeles. Mi amigo. If you want to explore the world, make sure you have a near infinite amount of time, because we can't seem to go a few hours without finding something worth spending days at. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's great.
Amazing. Palm Beach. Oh yeah, good times. Oh man, I'm really stuck. That's probably not good for anything. Alright, let's get you out from the sand. Alright, where did Michael go? Michael? I can't go any further than this, I'm gonna get stuck. Alright, here we go. You gonna go on a walk with us? Huh? You want to? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, he's a sweetie. So much nicer than the other dogs around here. Just we're hiking up the mountain. He's gonna come with. Sometimes when you go on a walk, gotta go under barbed wire fence. Our four-legged friend is still with us. It's a great place to walk. This is 2 blocks from our motel. Something like that. How you doing, boy? Good? Come on! Yeah! Yeah, we're going up there. Yeah. Happy dog. Up the mountain we go. We're almost there. We're almost here. Okay. This is the game. That's crap shot. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Dog, you're the real MVP. Because this is very high up. That's where we were staying right there. This cloud's coming right for us. It's coming right for us. Buddy, is that your house? Are you home now? Okay, I think we found the dog's house. Okay, this time we're definitely sure we found the dog's house. Bye. Bye, dog friend. Damn it. I just went down pretty hard. Broke my windscreen. Bike just went sideways out of nowhere. Man.